from the war front to the home front. Please join our team and visit combatwounded.org. We are wounded, not conquered.
Legends fans, how about an evening at the ballpark with friends, business associates, or clients in a luxury suite? Suites offer room for up to 22 people, a climate-controlled setting, couch and chairs, a TV, and catering by request. Watch the game from inside your suite or step outside into your private seats. It's a big league experience without the big league price. Visit LexingtonLegends.com or call 859-422-7867 today and ask to see a luxury suite at Whitaker Bank Ballpark.
Hall of Famer Burt Blylow talks about returning to Cooperstown.
I go back to Cooperstown and represent myself. I'm representing baseball. It's a privilege. It's an obligation to represent, to me, the greatest game in the world. And I think about the honor of being part.
Join us in Cooperstown for the Hall of Fame induction of Craig Biggio, Randy Johnson, Pedro Martinez, and John Smoltz, July 24th through the 27th. Visit baseballhall.org today for more information.
Tomorrow's stars here today on the Legends Radio Network.
Back at Whitaker Bank Ballpark, 5-1.